This weather. Hey guys, Jan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Because it's raining, and this rain is so bad. I did my braids. First time. What? I don't know why it's Mzansi, but yeah, it's just I like it. I like the curls, Lana, you know. Studies it. Oh my god. But I had to, my hair was a mess. I had to do something. Like this hairstyle. Are you guys okay in this weather? Cause why wouldn't it? Why? My love, I don't know. I just showed them the picture. I could say, Kitty, knotless. Is it knotless braids or what? I don't know. Just show them the picture. Just say, hey, I'm here to do this. Okay, let me close the door. Show them the picture. And then they will let you know the price. Guys, I live with the braids in Turiana. And there to Uti, I'm a braids at Durianje. But I wanted to do braids, man. I was so tired of wearing Ama weaves, you know. But they're so expensive. What? I wanted to cry when they told me the price of these braids. But it's worth it, you know. It's worth it. But yo, I think I'm gonna bring back my locks. Cause what do you mean? I can't even say the price because no. It's not make sure. Guys, I'm bringing back my locks. How much and where did you do them? Go Joburg, go Beauty Fix. I think Beauty Fix. Please search them. You our born. Go mid-rent, 4 ways, and Renbeck, I think. Mata, I got the whole jewels. I'm gonna jewels. I will the book. Boma 1 point. Listen, 1 point, mama, my heart. I wanted to cry, guys. I don't want to let born, but I really wanted to do them because, guys, wearing weaves is so tiring. It's so tiring. Thank you so much. It's raining here in Joburg. When I go guy. When I he did mine got 250. Sahas away. Plug me, Claire, because like what the heck? Bloemfontein. Give me solo Blomesani. Blomo. It's about Blomo tle Blomo dula whether I think in so ich. You at home where, Tukulo? Home where? People are going home. They are finished writing. Are you guys still writing? Because I want to go hide in that. Guys, I don't know thinking about this, but no. Neta. I'm so sorry, man. Nehetaning. Nehetaning. Sure. Askisi nhlele ngole monate ngole nsintlele bale with king because ha sa bale ndlala Litswana, I'm closer, my babe. I'm closer. Ntabise. Oh, create a message. Kadi 21. Kadi ka no. Kadi 7. Oh! Let's affair. Oh. Mara tlisa lehetse ka December. At least lehetse ka December. I love you so much, Piri. You speak like girls from Bloemfontein. Go pizza. You wanna blow You wanna blow. That's why. You wanna blow. Give us salt. Give us a cause. Go to it again. But then again, while someone guys, when I what do you mean? The braids, guys. Braids. What? Speaking of Janna I can understand. I don't understand. Come on, for it. Do you want to do human hair or kind of synthetic what? Oh, I didn't know. Or I choose a. I didn't know the difference. Sitanda isn't. Oh, I'm live. Thank you so much. Thank you. Did you see my hair?
I did.
Like next time enjoy it and enjoy it because when I was looking for the prices and the hairstyles and kabar and talk. Guys, mama ga itla are for come to Blom. How expensive? Ke mama jwang ke batla go itira no. Hair plug. Maja ha ke yo ha ne ke tla bontsha snap se ke. Ne ke tla bontsha style ne ke se ke batla. Ban. Sheba ka Pinterest or braid styles. Yeah, I know Labon. I don't know. It's like knotless hair, knotless braids. I don't know. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Like I want to tell my I'm very and then over happy for it's king. Raw sharp. Make it sweet again for like different colors. Because I wanted brown, like brown, but they didn't have brown. How about I know this thing? I'm brown, so I don't speak French, my babe. I'm so tired. Ke tlo go bala tle. Ke tswa Pitori. So Pitori. Ka se gale ke fitlhile Joburg. I'm gonna go to sleep. How was Urban Revival? It was powerful. Don't get me right. It was so powerful. Everything was just. I didn't believe it. Like I was sitting next to Philip and Preston Perry. Yes. It was so good. Like if was I am more, you missed. Like ufiti ke bejual, like uqethiwe. Guys, remember I didn't have a hairline. Okay, no. It's a kaudis I can lie, guys. Woman like quite yan. Ke tukisa tsa December hape ko tlung tsona mosebetsi di what so ke tla bua ka one sharp I got it in a week. I'm tired. Someone asked me like how do you hope to the locks at how yes I miss them I miss them so much. I think I'm gonna bring them back to next year. I don't know, around November more. Okay, guys. Ngizohamba mina. I just wanted to ask you why nilisanga. Why, Joe? Why? Nagana di braids. It's at 1 point. 1 point, guys. But hey, it's fine. Okay, guys. Ke le rata ne thata ane ke kopa le futhumale ya le fihla go tlung ga rata go ngola le straight go tlung because it's raining go tiblomo go a gone, so safe, be safe. Lana kuyabanda, it's so cold. So the name of the salon is Beauty Fix. Yeah, just search Beauty Fix and then you will see. Okay, I'm going now, ne? Ne? I'm gonna eat now. Please enjoy your day. Cause it's early,